Tata Motors owned Jaguar Land Rover has big plans of doubling its business over the next 3 years, according to an Economic Times report. The luxury car maker's optimism is based on the fact that the Range Rover and Range Rover Sport models have grew by 81% in sales in the last fiscal year, and that they are now also going to locally assemble these dream machines. While the localization of these products will certainly help in bringing down their upfront purchasing costs, but would it really make a difference to enthusiasts and admirers of these products such as you and me? Has the Range Rover name been democratized, or is the over half-a-crore price cut for these SUVs still as inconsequential to us as before? Keep watching to find out. Now, if you have come across hyped up claims that the Range Rover SUVs will now be made in India, well, do not be fooled so easily, because the keywords here are locally assembled. Which means that while Range Rover SUVs were earlier imported into the country as completely built up cars, they would now come here as components and be assembled at a plant in Pune. Sure, certain models in the Range Rover lineup will now be cheaper by almost half-a-crore, or up to rupees 56 lakh to be exact. However, the Range Rover name is still far from accessible for most rich folks and even high-paid professionals. Bear with me. Because let's quickly take a look at how much these Range Rover SUVs cost post-localization and how much they cost in the United Kingdom. Number 1, the Range Rover HSE long wheel base, which costs 116,700 pounds or rupees 1.23 crore in the UK, would still cost rupees 2.36 crores ex-showroom in India. Number 2, the Range Rover Autobiography. Now this luxury barge costs 127,700 pounds in the UK or rupees 1.35 crore. However, in India, the price for the same SUV is still rupees 2.6 crore ex-showroom. Number 3, the Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE Diesel. Once again, this Range Rover costs 82,160 pounds in the UK or rupees 86.99 lakh. That's right, this is a sub rupees 1 crore Range Rover. However, in India, as things stand, even post localization, the price for this SE Diesel is currently at rupees 1.4 crore ex-showroom. So in a nutshell, the Range Rover still costs twice as much as it does in the UK, and the astronomical ex-showroom values of these cars make them out of reach for most people in India. Now, before you start blaming the government-imposed import duty taxes on these luxury vehicles, which are at 35%, which is also a lot less than the 100% import tax imposed on completely built-up cars, we need to understand that these taxes are designed to protect the interest of domestic OEMs and promote the sale of domestically manufactured vehicles. While I am in full support of promoting locally manufactured vehicles, however, 35% of a vehicle that costs rupees 1.3 crores is a lot of tax liability that is directly imposed on the buyer, and I would hope that the government soon reconsiders these taxes that are imposed on cars in a more subjective manner than the blanket tax that stands in place today. What are your thoughts on the new locally assembled Range Rovers and their prices? Let us know in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content, and also press on that bell icon to get instant notifications on all our uploads.